Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we make AI simple, useful, and powerful for everyone. Today, I'm giving you the ultimate crash course to master ChatGPT. By the end of this video, you'll know how to write prompts that actually work, how to guide ChatGPT to match your tone and purpose, how to fix bad responses, and my pro-level tricks to get faster, smarter answers every time. Whether you're using ChatGPT for work, school, content creation, or just to save time, this guide will make you a pro prompt writer in minutes. Let's go. What exactly is ChatGPT? Quick refresher, ChatGPT is a language AI created by OpenAI. It's basically a super smart assistant that can write for you. Blogs, emails, social posts, you name it. Explain anything, from quantum physics to cooking tips. Brainstorm ideas for businesses, projects, content, or personal goals. Even create strategies for marketing, productivity, and more. But here's the catch. ChatGPT is only as smart as your prompt. If your prompt is bad, the answer will be weak. If your prompt is clear, ChatGPT becomes a creative genius. So let's unlock those prompting secrets. Start with clear, direct prompts. A lot of people type something like, write me a blog. It's too vague. Instead, try, write a 500-word blog post about 5 easy meal prep ideas for beginners with a friendly and helpful tone. The difference? ChatGPT knows exactly what you want. Clear prompts equals clear results. Use who, what, why, how in prompts. Want to make your prompt clearer instantly? Just ask, who is this for? Busy parents, small business owners, or students? What is the format? Blog, script, email, or checklist? Why do you need it? To teach, to sell, or to entertain? How should it sound? Formal, funny, or casual? Example prompt. Write a professional email for a small business owner announcing a holiday sale using a friendly and personal tone. Use role prompts to unlock expert responses. This trick is gold. Instead of just asking for help, tell ChatGPT who to be. For example, act as a marketing expert and create a content calendar for a bakery. Act as a nutritionist and create a healthy meal plan for athletes. This shifts ChatGPT into expert mode, and the answers are usually smarter and more focused. Stack roles for even better results. Want even more precision? Combine roles like act as a food blogger and a professional nutritionist, write an Instagram caption for a high-protein smoothie recipe. This gives you creativity plus accuracy, the best of both worlds. Add tone and style instructions. Tone makes all the difference. A sales email shouldn't sound like a science paper. You can tell ChatGPT exactly how to sound. Friendly and conversational, professional and corporate, funny and creative, or short and punchy. Example, write a product description for a handmade candle. Make it cozy, romantic, and poetic. Result? It'll feel like you hired a pro copywriter. Use tone comparisons to guide AI faster. You can also say, make this sound like a TED Talk introduction. This leverages familiar styles to instantly shape the response. Use iteration, don't stop after one try. Here's the pro move, don't settle for the first response. ChatGPT works best when you treat it like a creative partner. Try these follow-ups, make it shorter and punchier. Add 3 fun facts. Rewrite this in simpler language. This back and forth turns okay results into perfect results. Use the "What's missing" prompt. After ChatGPT answers, ask, "What's missing from this response?" AI will often catch its own gaps, a secret trick pros use all the time. Save time with custom instructions. If you use ChatGPT a lot, this is a must-do. In Settings, there's a tab called Custom Instructions. Fill these in to tell ChatGPT who you are, like small business owner, student, or content creator, how you like responses, like short, detailed, casual, or formal. This makes every response automatically tailored to you, saving tons of time. Keep a Google Doc with prompts you use all the time. Copy-paste them when needed. You'll write faster and smarter every time. Let's recap. To master ChatGPT fast, use clear, detailed prompts: who, what, why, how. Assign roles to get expert answers. Control the tone and style. Refine with follow-ups. Set custom instructions to personalize everything. Now go put these tips into action and make AI work for you. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more pro AI tips, and drop a comment. Thanks for watching.